On 10th December 2012, Lance Corporal Herbert Rwakihembo, who had barely returned from a peacekeeping mission in the war-wrecked Horn of Africa, shot dead his fiancée and two others in Luzira, a suburb in Kampala. He had accused Elly Turyamubona of being unfaithful and not accounting for the money he had sent home while he was away in Somalia. However, when he tried to question her, he was mocked by his fiancée and friends, prompting him to pull the trigger. He was sentenced to 35 years for various counts of manslaughter. Rwakihembo breathed a sigh of relief when his sentence was reduced to 2 months by the Court-Martial Appeals Court. Judge Elly Turyamubona, while delivering his verdict, said that he was lenient to the soldier because his fiancée had provoked him. Dr. Daniel Ruhweza, a law donor at Makerere University, does not differ with the verdict of Judge Turyamubona. So do you really think this was not a decision that is going to breed more of criminals, criminal-minded people who have lost money and out of passion and out of disappointment and provocation, they want to pull their triggers against their spouses and kill them?
I'm not saying that's how we should resolve our issues, but court is saying that in such a situation, that is not murder. You've been provoked, therefore you've committed manslaughter. And once you've committed manslaughter, it means that you're not going to be sentenced to the mandatory sentence of death. In any case, death is no longer mandatory. You'll be sentenced to life imprisonment. But even then, if there are mitigating factors, okay, your sentence can be reduced.
It could mean that as long as you have all reasons that are strong enough for you to commit certain crimes, crimes of passion, crimes where you're disappointed, crimes of then you have a chance to walk free like Herbert has done.
It's not in every case that we have to deter crime. Sometimes punishment is for rehabilitation. Sometimes punishment is for retribution.
But what options do the families of the deceased have?
They can appeal against the sentence and ask for a more deterrent, more retributive.
According to Rwakihembo, it does not matter how the public perceives the court decisions as long as justice has manifestly been seen to be done. Sudil Biarhanga, NTV.